how do you use the Lifeboat Key, assuming you've got some pretty good juice to take out of Arena Breakout Infinite's Northridge? Well, here's how you do it. If you ever need help, in the description down below you'll find my complete map of Northridge and the rest of Arena Breakout Infinite with everything you need to know and so much more. Here, just type in what you're looking for, in our case, Lifeboat or Lifeboat Key. Clicking it takes us straight to where we need to be. This extract can be activated with a Lifeboat Key, and zooming out over here, here is where it's located. Let's go ahead and mark it on the map, which at least should be shown by this here. Make your way across there. When you travel all the way around the lake, it's super obvious when you're there, also when it's still available and open though. If we make our way all the way over here, this 5-use key can have one single use used to activate this boat, assuming it's still here. Simply hit F to activate it, and now we need to wait 50 seconds for this thing to extract. While you're here, it is super vulnerable. You're visible not only from the bridge over here, but of course over here as well from this very handy outlook spot right here. Super dangerous to be out in the open. There's unfortunately zero cover around here except for maybe a tree here. Nope, that's far too far away. Anyways, that's really that. In no time, you should extract, hopefully with all of your limbs attached. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.